Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung brand dishwasher. It is having a problem with the error message. That's mean it is a machine we can start, but end of the cycle in between it's showing error message HC error. Now we have to check what is the problem with the HC error. Main actually it's related with the water heater, otherwise thermistor, otherwise heating sensor. We have to check A to Z now, and we will go to the next step and we will check. Now I already lay down the machine, because first of all we have to remove the bottom cover. After that we can identify heater. We can check heater and thermistor and thermostat, everything. After that, if identify any problem, we can resolve at the same time. Otherwise we have to remove the side covers and all. Now I'm going to remove this cover, bottom cover. It is, you can see here, all the locks are coming here, and we can remove like that. It's easy. It's no any screws, only the lock. And while we are removing time, we have to careful, we have to remove, because here the floating switch, here you can see here this floating switch, we have to remove like that. Here this micro switch, this is floating switch. If any leakage come, at the same time it's realizing floating switch. Now you can see here, here we can check now heater connector continuity, also here thermostat continuity. This one also here having micro switch. Now we will check first thermistor. After that we can identify it is thermistor damage or not, defect or not. Also we have to check this thermistor, and we will check by with our multimeter. Now you can see here, I'm going to release heater one side. I already remove. Now I can check. That's mean heater is okay. I will check again continuity. Yes, my dear, it is heater is okay. Now we have to check this micro switch here. Also we have to remove and check. It is look like here it is damaged actually. Yes, my dear, it's, you can see here this one already damaged. That means it's shorted. We will remove this one, the micro switch. After that we can identify, pull it, after that it will come. Yes, this one already gone. You can see here is tension already not showing, not coming. Also here it's shorted. You can see this micro switch, what happened here, it is burned. This is the reason it's showing HC error message. It is already shorted. it's very difficult to remove also. Now you can see, my dear friends, it's already burned. No need to check nothing. This one already gone. Now you can see here it is normally this connector is normally closed. Normally this one normally open, and same micro switch we can use. After that we can resolve our problem. Now I will check the another micro switch. Now I having a new micro switch, and you can see it is working properly. We can check by meter also. You can see it is working. No problem. We will check with this. Now this one only the burning mark only, but harness no any damage, no any shortage. Because of that same harness without any modification we can use this one, no problem, and we can use this same harness. We have to fix this one up and this one down. Now I little bit expand here, because of that I have to make again the same before with the plier. Now I can fix like that here. Also this one. Now I fix already. Now I can fix here also. Now it will come like that. Now you can see here, this is the problem. Actually it show HC error message. Now it will no chance to come again error message. Now we will check another cycle after fixing new micro switch. Now this below function was before is not coming while getting warm water. Now we can check other connectors, everything's are perfect, no any problem. Now we have to fix properly this one, otherwise LE error will come because of the floating switch. Now I'm going to fix that one first. Floating switch we have to fix this way. Here like that we can fix. This way you can see here. You can see here it should be like that. Now I will fix here lock. This 3 lock it will come to here. After that we have to lock only. Now we can check one cycle with the water. Given the water supply, also power supply. Now I'm going to select again for checking. I will select 30 minutes and I will start the machine. You can hear the noise. It is already pump working, water pump. Now you can see, you can hear the noise water already take into the machine. This pump is, the wash motor is working. You can hear the noise pressure. Now before I already replace, I will open the door now. You can see here machine is running well, actually no any problem. Now we have to wait until finish this option and we will see. Now you can see, dear friends, it is already completed cycle. Now it came 0, that's mean no any error message now. And now I'm thinking you learn something about the error message HC. If it is occurring the same issue, you have to check heater connector, heater continuity, heater connector, and also thermostat. Now this cycle is end. Now I open the door. You can see here it is already water its temperature came. You can see the humidity. It's vaporize also coming out. This happening actually HC error coming. This mean the temperature inside the dishwasher is too hot, exceeding temperature over 80 Celsius degree Celsius temperature. Because of that, showing HC error. Now I already completed my job. If you are occurring the same issue, you have to do the same way. I'm thinking you learned something while watching this video. I will come with another topic. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet again. Thank you.